Clear lens exchange does not change the color of the eye. The iris, colored part of the eye, does not get touched during this procedure and remains intact. The lens or artificial implant is clear and transparent. Clear lens exchange is a permanent procedure, as once the natural lens is removed from the eye, it cannot be put back. The procedure is not reversible either. However, in special circumstances, it is possible to exchange a trifocal intraocular lens for another type of intraocular lens. You will not develop cataracts after this procedure, as the intraocular lens does not become cloudy with age as with the eye's natural lens.